Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into the world of food preservation with the best Dash Dehydrator on the market, the OSTBA Food Dehydrator. This incredible appliance not only makes drying fruits, vegetables, and meats a breeze, but it also helps you retain essential nutrients, allowing you to enjoy healthy snacks all year round. The OSTBA Food Dehydrator boasts a sleek design with 5 BPA-free trays, making it both functional and stylish for any kitchen. Its compact size means you can easily store it away when it's not in use, yet it offers ample space to dehydrate a variety of foods simultaneously. Setting up this dehydrator is incredibly simple. The adjustable temperature control ranges from 95 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature allows you to choose the perfect setting for your food items. Lower temperatures are ideal for delicate fruits like apples and bananas, while higher temperatures are perfect for creating savory jerky or drying herbs. The user-friendly knob controls make it easy to power on and off, and to adjust the temperature. It's as straightforward as it gets. And the transparent window lets you monitor the drying process without interrupting it, giving you peace of mind while you prepare your snacks. One of the standout features of the OSTBA Food Dehydrator is its 360-degree circulation airflow. This technology ensures even heat distribution, so every piece of food gets the same treatment. This results in perfectly dried snacks, whether you're making fruit chips, veggie crisps, or beef jerky. When it comes to cleanup, the OSTBA makes it a breeze. The trays are dishwasher safe, and the stainless steel panel can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. This makes it not only convenient to use but also easy to maintain, an essential feature for any kitchen appliance. But what can you actually make with this dehydrator? The possibilities are endless, from homemade fruit roll-ups and dried herbs to nutritious pet snacks. The OSTBA Food Dehydrator is perfect for anyone looking to explore the world of food preservation. And don't worry if you're new to dehydrating, the package even includes a recipe book to inspire your culinary creativity. Imagine serving your friends and family delicious, homemade snacks, knowing exactly what ingredients went into them. With the OSTBA Food Dehydrator, you can create healthy snacks that everyone will love, all while saving money and reducing food waste. So, if you're ready to elevate your kitchen game and dive into the world of food dehydrating, the OSTBA Food Dehydrator is your best bet. It combines functionality, ease of use, and great results, all at an affordable price. Thank you for joining us at Product Critique today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best kitchen gadgets out there. Happy dehydrating, and we'll see you next time.